Hello my good people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a virtual Visa card in Ghana or any African country. Now let's launch App Store or Play Store and search for Your Money. This app is a Russian app, but it can be used in every African country. Finally, we are done installing, so we have to launch Your Money. Now, let's create a wallet. Okay, the country code for Russia is +7. So, we are in Ghana, so let's choose +233. If you're in Nigeria, +234. If you're in South Africa, +27. Okay, now, insert your number. A verification code will be sent to your number. Please type it there. Now enter your valid email address. A code will be sent to you. Enter the code. Now create a strong password, at least 8 characters, Latin, upper or lowercase, and a number. After you are done, enter the password again and click on next. Please try to remember the password. If you can't remember it, please write it somewhere in order for you not to lose your virtual card. Now create access code. Repeat the access code again. Okay, we are almost done. Hooray, finally, we got our virtual MasterCard. Now, you can connect this MasterCard to your PayPal account or any account. In our next video, we will be making tutorials on how to link the MasterCard to PayPal and any other form of transferring money. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.